Alright, now here I have a just one-time use mold I'm going to make, just in case the other mold doesn't come out right. So I just got this one I just drilled a hole through, have a stainless steel rod running through it, just kind of held in with the top and the bottom. I'm going to pour plaster around this. Once that plaster is set, I'm going to push that pin out. I'm going to throw the whole thing in the furnace, melt that PLA out. I'm going to have it set this way so that it'll just drain out through there. Hopefully all of that will, most of it at least will, burn out in there. Then it'll, be empty. I'll keep it warm, then pour hot copper in there. And that, I'll get that all in copper. Have to bust it apart to get to it, so the mold won't be usable after that. It'll be all in pieces, but this should get me a, nice big piece of copper.